This is a requested video from people who have been asking how they can process being a nurse in Dubai. I'm going to be saying Dubai. It has to do with all the UAE, the United Arab Emirates in general, either Dubai, Sharjah. Though the government, the body are covered by different government body. Like if you're in Dubai, it is DHA. If you're in Sharjah, it is MOH, Ministry of Health. If you're in Abu Dhabi, it's a different license. Healthcare City is a different license, but it's just going to give you a guide. It's just for you to go through the particular website of the states or the part of UAE you're going, and it's going to help you to register and be a nurse. If you know or you may not know that I was a nurse in UAE, a registered nurse. I worked for a few years before I left and migrated to the UK. I'm going to be using my phone because I've written all the process down and I don't want to miss any step while I tell you, because if you make a mistake, then I don't want it to be my fault. So I'm going to be talking to you and I'm going to be checking what I've written down on my phone. To be a nurse in Dubai is a very easy step, but it's not as complicated as it is in other countries, but it is easy if you follow the step. It takes time, so I advise you start your process on time. Continue doing whatever work you're doing right now. UAE is one of the easy countries to get visa to. It is one of the easy countries to work. If you've not seen my video on the advantage of or the difference between UAE and UK, I advise you go check it out. UAE is one of the countries that is very diverse. They are very open to visitors. You see something to at least make you feel at home. It's a very good country. It has its own good and it has its own bad. So I like to go check out my video on the difference between UK and UAE. Then be able to pick out some point about UAE. First of all, you have to be registered in your country. At the time when I applied in the UAE, it was still acceptable for diploma nurses, that is people who don't have BSc nurses, to be registered nurses in the UAE or in Dubai. I'm going to be saying Dubai, okay? So it was still acceptable for people who are not BSc holders to be registered nurses in Dubai. But recently, I think in 2018, the law was changed that if you're a diploma holder, you don't have your BSc nursing, then you're going to be given assistant nursing license. It is the same with Abu Dhabi. So presently, if you're not a registered nurse, if you're a diploma holder, it is still the same process, but you may not get the registered nursing license. You may be given the assistant nursing license. The exam is almost similar with what I heard, but this will just give you a guide if you still want to pursue it. But first of all, I would say get your BSc nursing if you want to be a registered nurse. But if you want to be an assistant nurse also, you can use your diploma certificate. So first of all, you have to be licensed in your country. Get your degree, your diploma in your home country before you think of applying. The requirements you're going to need the copy of your graduating certificate or your diploma certificate, your experience letter. You need your good standing certificate that you're going to get from your nursing body in your country, either your nursing council, whatever the name of your licensing body is called. You're going to need a good standing certificate. It should not, I think it's valid for 6 months or 3 months. You need your passport copy, that's your international passport copy. You need one color passport photo with white background. You need a nursing copy of graduating certificate, diploma certificate, your nursing transcript, your experience certificate, your nursing registration certificate. There's a difference between your graduating certificate and your registration certificates. Then you need your good standing certificate, passport copy of your international passport. You need one colored photo with white background. And that's just all the requirements you're going to need. It's very easy, very straightforward if you don't miss a step. You go to if it is Dubai, go to DHA website, go to self-service. You're going to open an account, put your username, your password, and write it, keep it safe. You're going to be using it. You have your own personal page. That's what you're going to be using from the beginning of your process up until even when you're in the country and you renew your license, you will keep using that particular sign in. So open your account, sign in, create an account in either MOH, DHA, hard websites, and get all these documents ready. Then you're good to start your process. Go to new professional license. It begin to guide you step by step on what to do next. Those documents you've already scanned, you have to name them individually. If it is your good standing certificate, name it good standing certificate and upload it individually. You're going to pay 210 dirhams for the application. That's the first money you're going to pay. I don't know how much it's going to be when you'll be watching this video, but right now it's still 210 dirhams. You pay through a credit card. It can be national credit card, it can be local credit card. That's when your application will be submitted for verification. It can take few days up to 6 weeks before your document is even reviewed or before it's even checked. It can be faster for individuals, depending on how busy they are to respond to you. For me, my process was very fast compared to my friend who did my own process. Her process was not as fast as mine was. So you can wait as much as 6 weeks. So it's better you start your process on time. Just log into your account to check, because if one of your documents is missing, they're going to mail you to tell you provide this particular document. All you need to do is just get the document again, upload it, rename it, and re-upload. Follow up by email. They will respond to you. Always checking your account for messages. Check your email, either they've sent you a message requesting for document, because you may be waiting and waiting and waiting, not knowing it is you who is delaying your own process. If one of your documents is missing and they've requested you to upload that particular document and you have not uploaded it, it will waste your time a lot. After it has been reviewed, an email will be sent to you for you to make a payment of 932 dirhams. It was usually 700 dirhams, but now it has been increased to 932 dirhams. So you get an email to say you should make that payment. That payment is for your verification. That verification will allow them to contact your home country where you got those documents from. If it's your nursing council, your school you attended, your previous employer, they were going to mail them or message them. Some they will even call them to ask if they know you. What they can say, remember to tell your reference that you've used them as your referee, and once DHA calls, they should respond to the mail or the call, whatever it is. Don't go and use somebody that you don't know, somebody that don't know you. You're going to be in trouble. If you come out, your primary source verification will come out as incorrect. All your document is complete, it is correct, they verified it, they will issue you a letter to say everything you've given is correct. So this will help you to be able to schedule your exam with either hard or DHA. The exam is not difficult, but you need to prepare. It is a multiple question. It lasts for about 2 hours, and that time you have to pay for your exam. You are going to pay an amount of $170 to register for the exam. It is computer based. It is about 70 questions. So you're going to sit with your system, and you're not allowed to talk to anybody. You're going to be checked. You're going to do your fingerprint. I think they will take a photo of you. Then you go to the exam, or you'll be one-on-one with your system. It's a multiple choice question for 2 hours. Make sure you just to ask you. The questions can be kind of like, put a scenario down. What will you do in this case? What will you do if this is happening? What will you do in this particular case? So you can use your brain. You have to think and just know what you do. It is a pass or fail result. They're not going to tell you you had 70 over 90. It's either you've passed or you failed. If you pass, I think because the letter will say congratulations, you can now proceed. Your eligibility letter is now being issued, or you can now proceed to licensing, something like that. You're not going to get the amount, how many score you've got. It's either you've passed or you failed. So if you've passed, congratulations. You're going to now go ahead to look for a job. You'll be given an eligibility letter that will last for only 1 year. If you don't use it in that 1 year, it is going to expire. I think you have to take the exam again. So you have given 1 year to look for a job, look for an employer who will sponsor you, apply for your visa, apply for your license through your employer, 3-year renewal. And at that time, I think licensing is 220 dirhams. Either 120 or 220 dirhams, I can't remember how much it is. Every year you have to pay to renew your license. So once your license will be brought, they will bring the license to your address, mainly to your employer's address, to your office, your place of work. So you have that 1 year to look for a job, get a job, and yes, that's it. You're already a nurse. And it is easier once you've done the first difficult process, the subsequent one. So what I did for my own process is, after I've uploaded all my documents, I've gotten my primary source verification. You have to I bought a visitor visa, went to the UAE with my 3-month visit visa. I scheduled my exam 2 weeks after I got into the country, so I can also stay prepared. I've been preparing in my country thanks to my friend who sent me a study material where I was able to, and it really helped. Though the questions were not the same, but it's just the same pattern. Helped me with preparing for my exam. So I got into the country 2 weeks later. I wrote my exam. 2 days later, I got my result. It is within 1 to 2 working days or 3 maximum, you're going to get your result. I got my result, I've passed. I started looking for a job. Just to top up that, in Dubai, the salary range from 3,000 up to 15,000. I'm going to be giving detail about the salary if you request down below. To make another video on how to work generally in Dubai, not for nurses alone, but for everybody. Request a video about Dubai. On my channel, I tell you things to make you life easy about UK, Dubai, motherhood, life generally, everything. I'm unpredictable, so please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button below. Tell me if you're on the process. Let me know what video do you want me to make for you. I'm making this video for your request, and that's what I'll keep doing. Thank you for watching. Much love. I wish you good luck.